Guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about support and resistance, how to go ahead and master support and resistance on crypto trading. Now, this video is also useful if you are a forex trader or a stock trader. Now, one thing you need to understand about joint support and resistance level is support level is always below and resistance level is always above. Now, support level is a price level where the buying pressure is really strong to stop the price from falling even further, and the resistance level is a price level where the selling pressure is really strong enough to stop the price from rising even further. That's just it. It's basic. Now, there are two tools you can actually use in drawing your support and resistance line, and these describe the type of trader you are. There are some traders that make use of the line tool on TradingView, while there are some traders that make use of the rectangle tool on TradingView. For me, I'm part of those traders that make use of the rectangle tool on TradingView. Now, it depends on how you want to go ahead and read the chart. I just feel like reading the chart is much more better when you make use of rectangle tool on TradingView. Now, if you come to the chart right here, you can see how the chart looks like currently. So this is BTC. I actually went back in time to just show you how it looks like. So in order for you to draw your support and resistance level, you need to pick up your rectangle tool and you just draw it below where price touched. You need to make sure, in order for your support and resistance level to be valid, you need to make sure you have a minimum of 2 touch on your support and 2 touch on your resistance to be valid. Now, how do you know this is a valid point? Price came down here touching this point, which is 1. Price went back up and created our resistance. This is our resistance level right here. So you can see right here, this is our resistance level right here. Now, how is this a valid resistance level? Now, to show this is a valid resistance level, price came down, touched here 1 and came back up touching here 2. This is 1 and this is 2. So now price, now why you can't see this movement is because of the candle. It quickly went down and went back up again. So price went back up and came down, creating a second touch on our support. Now, and price went back up to our resistance. Now, immediately price went back up to our resistance. This is a good time to go ahead and short the market, but you can see price did not really touch this resistance. So if maybe you can enter a market, maybe you'd have entered a market trade somewhere around here and you set your stop loss just above the swing high. Now, what is a swing high and what is a swing low? A swing high, these are areas where price reverse. So you can say this is a swing high, price reversed from this point. This is a swing low because price reversed from this point. Price reversed from this point. This is a swing low, price reversed from this point. This is a swing high. Now you're going to set your stop loss just on you can set your stop loss either on your resistance level or just slightly above your swing high or your swing low. You're going to set your take profits to somewhere around your support level or your resistance level. So you can see price came down here, came back to our support level. So when price came back to our support level, we can actually go ahead and long the market, and we can actually get along the market. Then we just set our stop loss just a little bit under our support. Now, why did I not set this level? Why I did not set, like, remember what I said, don't set your stop loss on the support or don't set your stop loss just on that your resistance level, because these your levels are not always accurate and you can't be accurate when joining your support and resistance level. So it's always best for you to pick your swing low or your swing high as your stop loss. So you want to make use of this one just a little bit. Then you can see if you are on this trade, you won't get stopped out. But if you made use of your support, if your stop loss was on this support, if your stop loss was on this support, you would have gotten stopped out. Right, so you just set it a little bit and it set your take profits just above, or you can actually set a reward ratio of 2 to 5. Then you're going to get some amount of profits, as you can see right here. So you can see price went straight to our take profit, and that's all. So we can actually do that right here. You just set make sure you get 2 to 1 reward ratio. You're risking 1 to get 2. So let's go ahead and look for more supports and more resistance. Now you can see right here, this is another support and this is another resistance level here. So this is it right here. This is the support and this is the resistance level. This is a clean support and resistance level right here, as you can see right here. So price came back here, touched here, price came up here, touched here, came down, touched here, and price went back here to touch here. Immediately price touch our resistance, we go ahead and short the market again, setting our stop loss just a little bit above the swing high, which is right here. As you can see the swing high. Then if we are setting our stop loss below the swing low or this swing low, for me, I'll make use of this swing low. We enter here, then I'll set my stop loss just below the swing low. Then as you can see, we have this nice reward ratio. Yeah, as you can see, we got this trade. So this is how to go ahead and spot support and resistance level. Now let's go ahead and look at the current price movement of BTC. Let's see how we can actually spot our support and resistance level. So you can see that this is the current price movement. So how do you spot your support and resistance level? I'll just pick this level right here, and as you can see right here, price touched this point and price touched this point. So this is a two, you can call this our resistance and support level. Now different traders will spot different support and resistance level. I may spot this one as my support and resistance level, while you as a trader, you might decide you want to go ahead and make use of this level right here. So you can see there are different traders and different way you want to go ahead and spot your support and resistance level. I may take this one as my support level. So let's say this is my support and this is my resistance level. So you can see price got to this point. I'll be expecting price to come down here, maybe somewhere around here, before going up again. So you can see on our support level, we have one touch here, we have two touch. Then on the third touch, we can go ahead and enter this trade. Then we just set our stop loss just on this support level, because this is the last swing, and or we can check, or we can make use of our, we can set our stop loss just below here, and we have this now. For me, I will wait for maybe price to come down here. But remember, you don't just trade only support and resistance level. You also need to combine other confluence, like making use of trend lines. If you want to go ahead and learn how to make use of various indicators, how to draw trend line, how to understand fundamental analysis, this is my crypto trading course right here on Udemy. I have about 5 students who have actually bought this course. So in order for you to get this course, the link will be in the description below. Currently, Udemy is doing a discount. Depending on when you're actually seeing this or when you're actually clicking the link, you might actually have access to this particular offer from Udemy. So if you scroll down, you're going to see we have fundamental analysis, we have trading view tutorial, we also have technical analysis. Because we have technical analysis where we talk about various indicators like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Band, and we also talked about nice and basic chart patterns you need to also know. So you can see it right here, and we also have trading strategies, we have risk management and futures trading. So you can see all this information right here on the crypto trading course. In case you're a beginner and you want to go ahead and leverage on it, you can actually go ahead and buy this course. This is the price here, but depending on when you're actually seeing the price is actually $19, but the price is actually the price varies for different countries. So depending on the country you are in, the price is going to change. So currently, as you can see on Udemy, this is what Udemy is showing me right now based on my incognito mode. So that's it, guys, concerning how to draw support and how to draw resistance level. If you found the video really helpful, guys, don't forget to give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Before I close it real quick, this is my Telegram community. You can actually go and join my Telegram channel where we actually share various. Very soon I'm going to start sharing signals again on my Telegram channel. I want us to hit 100 subscribers on our Telegram channel before I go ahead and start sharing crypto signals again. I mean, if you scroll back in time, you notice I've been sharing crypto signals, as you can see right here. I've been sharing crypto signals, I've been analyzing various charts and all. So you can see right here, we have been making some profits on previous months. So I'm waiting for us to hit 100 subscribers on Telegram before I go ahead and start sharing crypto signals again. So make sure you join the community and be part of Pips and Stacks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and also you can also go ahead and follow us on X. We are actually on X as well. Thanks for watching, and bye for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video.